I have we noticed the end of Mr. Beast? Mr. Beast has reached his end. Go up, search Mr. Beast here, and like this one before you go to search, because Mr. Beast now has 46 million views in his latest video, and is now going do his old at which there are these value figures that he's been downgraded from the greatest creator to just and common creator. And when you watch my first video on this channel, you will see that I have 100 million views. Imagine, better than Mr. Beast. Hey, this is very, very, very hilarious.